Hi, in this particular video, we'll cover the function IFNA. Now, IFNA is very similar to the if error function, just that it kind of helps whenever we get errors of type #NA. So we can use IFNA to remove #NA type of errors with our choice of values. And this function is available from 2013 Excel onwards. Now, the syntax, if any value, and if there's an error, then what is the value you would want if there's an error. I've got an example over here. So column A is just one. I'm just using, I'm not doing any computation on it. And the second row has a value of #NA. Now, if I use it with if NA, then what I'm saying is if there is no error, then I would just want the value in column A. Otherwise, I would want the value 9999. So this is very straightforward. So let's see how we can use if NA over here. If NA, this divided by this, I would want NE. So as you can see, if because we're getting #NA and if we divide by 12, that's just an error. So we are just replacing it with any. For more of such cool shortcuts or practical applications or examples of Excel, I would suggest that you head over to our website, which is www.a-leap.com. It stands for Analytics Leap. We've got a lot of different courses over here. So we've got Excel, SAS for beginners, Mastering R, visualization using Tableau, and statistics for analytics and data science. Uh, Together, they are, I guess, sufficient for anyone who wants to start a career in analytics or wants to progress in analytics. We've got some free content over here. So if you head over to our blog section, we've got some blogs which give an idea of how analytics is being used across different companies, different domains. And if you go to the vlog section, you'll have access to a lot of free content, videos showing just some of the cool tricks using Tableau or R or SAS and Excel. All you need to do is just put your email address over here and just click on subscribe now. Thank you.